Magandang buhay mga kamisi. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon. Yes. Nandito kami ngayon sa ating home park. So ayan, papasok kami dyan sa mansion. How old is this mansion, baby?
I don't know any information about it.
Okay, let's put it there. Oh. Ang laki niya mga kamisis, oh. Ayan, ganyan na itsura niya. Oh my God. Grabe, super luwang pala nito mga kamisis, and then sobrang hangin at sobrang lamig. So ayun, nandito na kami mga kamisis, oh.
Yes, I'd like to play that. Yeah.
Is that grand piano before?
No,
Why is that then?
that looks more like a harpsichord, but the harpsichord has the very boxy shape.
Ah.
It might be a piano, but
Nearly all the contents
So ayun mga kamisis.
98% all owned by a member of the family. So there's nothing in here that never belonged to the family.
you're right.
But
Okay.
you'll go in some places and it'll be like they've
It's
put
all
stuff in
sourced.
dresses.
Yeah. Holiday home.
Yeah.
Not even them any residents.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking hell.
Yun ang sabi nung nag-tour guide dito mga kamisis. It's their holiday home kasi nakatira sila sa London before. So, ayan, ito naman ang Sultana room. I don't know what is this. Yan, mga lord ang mga nakatira dito. Yan, second Lord Berwick.
So I love that there's all these beautiful, old, ornate Italian chairs everywhere, and I'm having to sit on this. It's rickety.
'23. So, yung mga kamisis, oh. Ayan yung portrait. Kasi back then, we don't have cameras. So, they used to paint people. And that's their portrait. And then, that is the same dress as she's wearing on that one. That one.
It's not the same. It's not like a copy. That's the actual dress.
That's the actual dress,
And
that's
that's
the
the
actual
actual
chair. Back in 1923. So yan. Oh, eto sila nun. Oh. Ah, there's a camera before. So that's how they cameraed it then.
Yeah, she'd like to sit there for hours like that.
Yeah, just to get that.
Oh, and in this room as well.
Oh,
Just
this
realised.
room.
Yeah.
Oh yes, because that's the door, isn't it?
Well, no, that's
The
the door.
Oh,
Or
this one.
that one, or that one, or that one.
Oh yeah,
Locked doors.
there's a lot.
Should show the viewers
Yeah.
the room.
And this is the actual room. Makikita niyo mga kamisis. So, ayan. So, yun mga kamisis, I don't know what is this. They didn't really say what this room. Oh, it's down there. Tingnan natin. Sabi ni Mr. ito daw ang gusto niyang ito daw ang gusto niya. There's a grand staircase. May staircase sila dyan. Pero walang nakalagay kung anong tawag dito. Yan, madaming mga paintings, mga portraits and stuff. So, yan. Mga marble as well, mga kamisis. Oh. Sabi ni Mr. ganito daw ang gusto niyang style ng bedroom namin. If ever. Yan, nagpapahinga lang siya dyan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Nakikita niyo ba yung mga bell na yan sa taas? So, ito ang tinatawag nilang servants world. So, lahat ng bell na yan ay may mga nakalagay entrance hall, bath, front door. So yung mga may-ari nito, kunwari yung king, lord, something like that, is tumawag. Ibebell lang nila yan para alam ng servants kung nasaan, kung saan sila pupunta. So, ayan. And then, dito naman sa room na ito is yung mga ginagamit nila before. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Mga silverware, mga gold. Siguro gold yan nga mga kamisis. And then, mga glasses. So, ayan. Diba? Ito yata ang kanilang sink before mga kamisis kasi meron dyang ano, yan, may shampoo, shampoo, ano bang tawag dyan? May soap. Ayan yung sink, may brush. Kung nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. So, dito sila nag-ano. Then, ayan yung light. Ayan, may siguro mga powder yan. So, ayan, merong sabon, may pangnoklay. And then, ayan yung salamin. Then, maliit lang to mga kamisis. Ayan, ganyan itsura niya. So, ayan, madaming mga bata, kaya hindi ako makapag-video ng malala. My God, mga kamisis. I found the kitchen that I like. Tingnan niyo naman, oh. Sobrang ganda. Tingnan niyo, oh. What does it called, baby? Those pans?
They're copper.
Copper pans. Kung makikita niyo, mga kamisis. And then dito sila nagluluto before. Ayan ang kanilang uniform. And then, ayan, kung makikita nyo, ang laki ng gripo, oh. There's a big, what is it called? Tap.
Oh, yeah.
And then, ayan. O, diba? Napakaganda. It's beautiful. Tignan nyo naman, o, diba? Sobrang ganda. Then, ayan. So, ayan mga kamisis. Ito ang tinatawag nilang still room, mga kamisis. Oh, yes! Ayan. Tinatawag nilang still room to. And then, ayan. Dito sila nag-prepare ng mga teas and stuff. Ayan. Yung mga ingredients nila.
Yeah, I don't know. Further.
We don't know what is this one.
Still room kitchen.
Oh, it's still room kitchen. Oh, this is their kitchen then. Tignan yung mga mold din nila dati, mga kamisis. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Kahit
Another
pala nung
cooker.
nakaraan ay may mga oven sila dito, mga kamisis. Oh.
Oh, they can make pizza
Ayan,
in
oh.
there.
And then, you idiot. That opens before.
It does, it's just a bit...
No, don't open it because it's... And then, ayan.
That's a good oven, isn't it?
Diyan sila nagluluto. To cook pizza. Char. No, diyan sila nagbe-bake. Ayan. Then, diyan mo ilalagay yung wood logs. So, it can burn and then para uminit yan. So, yung palabas na kami, mga kamisis. So, ayun mga kamisis, nandito kami sa walled garden ang tawag dito. Sobrang luwang nitong ating ham. Kaya, ang inuna namin is yung mansion kasi magsasara yun ng 4 o'clock. Pero nandito kami sa walled garden, which is, I think, still open until 6 o'clock. Kaya, carry bells lang dito. But sobrang lamig kaya nakasuot na ulit ako ng coat. And then, ang lalaki ng mga onion, mga kamisis. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, malagong malago ang onion, oh, 'di ba? So, ayan. Meron silang mga paganyan kasi mag-Halloween na, mga kamisis, kaya
garden is here because this is where they would have grown all the stuff for the house, isn't it? Hence why it's here. All the stuff that they would have eaten in the house, most of it, they would have grown here. And now I'm going to say all of that again because you're going to ask me what I was saying.
What is it?
This is obviously here because this is where they would have used it to grow the food that they were serving in the house.
Yes. That's why it's massive.
Oh, you already had worked that out?
Of course.
I only just worked that out. And,
Right.
well, saying I
Ayan,
just,
umuulan na mga kamisis.
okay.
It's raining. You just work it out.
I want to go and see the witches.
I want to see this first before coming back there.
I don't think we go.
We go back there. Oh, meron pa ring mga daisy, mga kamisis. Oh,
Oh,
ayan.
yes,
Look
that's
at
all shite.
Spider. Ayan, may Halloween event yata sila dito, mga kamisis. Kaya may mga Halloween kineme dyan. And then, ayan. So, ayan, yung garden nga na ito is, that's the greenhouse.
Yeah.
You know, wait, I can see tomato there. Ayan. Mga greenhouse, mga kamisis. Built-in greenhouse.
Absolutely great to have all this, wouldn't it?
Ha?
It'd be great to have all this.
Yeah. So, yun mga kamisis, so may nakita kaming pear. Pero cooking pear yata ito mga kamisis kasi maasing daw, sabi ni Mr. Hindi ko tinry, pero sobrang tamis ng kanyang amoy. Malayo ka pa lang, naaamoy mo na. Smells really sweet.
You keep telling me you can make crumble.
Ayan,
You should
tingnan
make
niyo.
crumble out of those.
So, ayan, sobrang dami, kakaloka. Nagkakalaglag na lang din siya,
I can't get over the smell. It's absolutely amazing.
Ayan.
Just
Can be a perfume.
yeah.
Because it's very sweet. Ayan, Nandito kami sa apple farm. Oh my God, mga kamisis, tingnan nyo yun, Ang laki. Oh my God, hindi nyo pala nakikita. Tingnan nyo. Teka lang, punta lang ako dito. Oh my God, sobrang laki.
What are all these doing on the floor then?
Ayan, ang lalaki.
They are massive.
Yeah, they are massive. Oh, ayan, tingnan nyo mga kamisis. Pulang-pula siya, red na red. Ang dami. Oh. Mga nagkakalaglag na nga lang din, Eating apple.
Drop it. Bloody hungry. Which
So, ayan mga kamisis, nandito na kami sa may Woodland Walk. So, ito ang aming view. Yan, di ba? Autumn na mga kamisis, Kita nyo? Dito, what is this? Deer walk. Kasi, deer. Deer. So, ayan. Napapansin namin sa mga puno, meron
I've got
mga
a cigar right
may
now.
mga bird house sa mga puno. Pero madami kami nakikita
Oh
mga...
fucking hell!
What's that? The
Mushroom.
mushroom, you idiot. Ayan. Kinalutkot ng paa niya ang mushroom, kaya ayan. Dumikit yung mushroom sa kanya. Ang daming mga squirrel
Oh, for
namin.
God's sake! Look at this now!
What help?
Get off
That
me!
nettles.
Oh, fuck it.
Gimme. I'll get it. Get off then.
Right, that worked.
So, ayan. Ang lamig. Nilalamig na ako mga kamisis. Ayan. So, ito ang aming view. Come on. Ayun mga kamisis, nakauwi na kami. Dumaan lang din ako sa Tesco kasi kinuha ko yung aking na-order sa Vinted, and then nag-grocery na rin ako ng very very light kasi wala na akong milk. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng milk nung nag-M&S kami. So, ayan, bumili ako ng seafood. Si Mr. yun mga kamisis. Bumili ako ng, ayan, seafood cup noodles. And then yung protein kinemit ni Mr. Ayan. 3 lang ba yan? 4. Ayan. Kasi wala nito sa wala din nito sa M&S. So, ayan, bumili ako ng 4 kasi at parang 4 for 3 pound yata ito. And then, ayan, mashy peas kasi mag-ano kami ngayon, mag-fish and chips. Ayan, 2 mashy peas, pero isa lang ang gagamitin ko. And then, meron din akong biniling Coke, 0 sugar and 0 caffeine. And then, some treats for me. Meron akong vanilla cream crowns, so ayan. And then, quinoa, kasi tinry ko na itong kainin na replacement sa rice, and gusto ko siya, bet ko siya, masarap. And then, ayan, ito yung aking milk na nakalimutan kong bilhin. Nakalimutan ko rin bumili ng aking sugar. But, yun. Yan na ang ating, nabili lang. Kasi tayo ay magluluto ng fish and chips. So, ayan, siguro dito ko na iyan ang video mga kamisis para hindi naman na masyadong mahaba kasi magluluto na lang. Ay. Magluluto na lang naman ako, and then magdi-dinner kami, and then yun na yun. Ilalagay ko lang lahat sa air fryer yung mga lulutuin ko kasi meron kaming, yun nga, yung nabili kong cod na namin. Buttered cod, merong buttered sausage as well, and then meron kaming buttered chips. So, yun ang iluluto ko together with this mashy peas. So, yan, fish and chips kami for tonight. Dahil ito ang aking day off. Tomorrow may pasok na naman ako, but ang pasok ko naman ay 3:00 ng hapon. So, hindi masyadong mahirap. So, ayan, dito ko na yan ang aking video, mga kamisis. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa pag-tour around Attingham Park. First time naming pumunta doon, and then yun nga, laki ng bahay, yung kitchen talaga yung pinaka-highlight para sa akin. And ayan, thank you for watching, and I will see you again on my next vlog. Mag-ingat tayong lahat. Bye!